You want Grandma to help you?
Yeah, or you stand better.
Here, let me show you. No, I don't need to stand up there. I could reach. Here we go. Hook them on right there. Right by the angel. Isn't that pretty? Look at this pretty angel.
Pretty angel. Go lights on it.
She has a light, yeah.
She hold it.
Mm.
She hold it.
She holds the light. She's very pretty. I've had her on the tree for a long, long time. Matter of fact, 1996. That's how long she'd been there. Don't pull it. We just leave it there. We just look at it. Kissing her.
Now one.
Okay, get another one.
My kitty. Which?
Jack in the Box. Oh, look at who's this?
That's my mama.
Yep, that's your mama.
It's children Abby.
When she was little.
She was little, but
And she made me that decoration when she was little.
she a little girl. Remember?
Mm. I remember her when she was little.
Girl, Mama says I want Christmas rock. I want Christmas rock.
Really?
Oh, world, Christmas rock.
She wants the whole world to have a Christmas rock?
Yeah.
Just like on Ice Age? Here's a hook for it.
Sure. Sure, look at it, Mama. What?
Here, let me put it on. Let me see it. I'll put it on for you. There you go. Grab the hook. Now put it on the tree.
Ooh. I found a ladder.
You're such a big girl.
What's in mine?
I don't know.
Mama?
Where do you want to put your mama? Right there? I love that picture of your mama. It's so pretty. Oh, look at it. It wants to be backwards. Let's flip it around. Flip it around like, hold on, like that.
Like this.
Yeah. Ouch.
Oh, I see.
Love your mama. Perfect.
That's it.
Okay.
That's one. Thank you.
You're welcome. There's two of them there. Oh, that's his hat. Here, let me show you. Come here and I'll fix it.
His hat.
Here, I'll fix it. Oopsie, dropped the bell.
His hat.
Let me fix his hat.
His